This is the LORAC Unzipped Gold Eyeshadow Palette. You get the palette and the primer in here. I figured I was getting ready to do my makeup. It would be a good time to unbox it and try it out. As you can see, there are a wide range of gold tones and earth tones. You have some sparklier ones, and you also have matte shadows here. It's a good value for the money for a LORAC palette. It's highly pigmented. They're really easy to work with, and they last a good while too. They're very blendable colors, and it does come very well packaged for gifting.